Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove Shopee ads. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. After that, scroll down a little bit and tap on Google. Inside it, select the All Services tab and a bunch of features will appear. Here, scroll down a little bit and tap on Ads. Inside it, choose Reset Advertising ID and the Confirm by tapping on Confirm. After that, select Delete Advertising ID and then confirm again by tapping on Delete Advertising ID to remove Shopee ads from Android. Once done, get back one step and tap on Manage your Google account. Then, navigate to Data and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on My Ads Center. Next, toggle the switch to Off for personalized ads. This will ensure that Shopee ads are removed from your Android device. So that's basically how you can remove Shopee ads. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.